Coming at you on a cold day, but the spring is getting close, and what are we doing? Well, Julia and our neighbor Karen here are out tapping. That's right. She's got her pail. She's drilling into this maple right now. She's going to grab one of her taps. It's only about 15 degrees out. These two ladies are pretty cold, but they're tapping about, 35 trees here today. And we're getting it done because they say by next weekend it could be as high as, 39 to 40 out here. And then that might start our season. So we're a little bit north in Minnesota, so we're not quite as thawed as some people are in, Wisconsin and Michigan and Iowa and so forth. But we're just starting our season up here and we're getting ready for it. And this is how we do it. We're out there doing it the same way we always do it. For the small guy out there, we're using pails that have snap-on lids. We've got a hole in them. We run our blue tube in it from our tap. We've got a little little yellow air cap that we flip open on it. And then we have the pails so that we can grab them and bring them back to the farm and or dump them into another pail, whatever we'd like, and cook it down later. So here we are. The first tree of the season is tapped, folks. Julia's on it. She's drilled in 2 inches, set her stainless steel tap, tubed it up into her green bucket with her white lid, which is cleaned and ready to go. She's strapping it to the tree in case we get any nasty wind or storms like we sometimes do up here in northern central Minnesota. And we're going to be good to go. Hopefully in 2 to 3 weeks, we'll be cooking some sap into maple syrup, folks. Have a great day.